You're my everything.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, my name is Desiree and I'm a realtor here in California. And this video and the next couple of videos are actually going to cover how you can purchase a home in Los Angeles in 2019. And today I'm going to cover specifically the market, the LA market. But we're gonna just talk about the entire region with the good of having Hollywood and having theme parks and having the best weather and having beaches and having the best food. There's also traffic. And no matter what part of the LA region you're in, prepare for traffic. That's number one warning. But I'm not here to talk about the LA city, I'm here to talk about the market, and you need to understand the price points. Typically, most people don't make six figures in their household, which means if you and your husband and your kids are all working, all the income combined does not equate to $100,000 for some people. Others, $100,000 is an income for one individual. The average person who's contacted me to try to buy a home, they say that, yeah, I'm thinking of buying something in the 350 price point. So as a realtor, I have access to the MLS. It's a website where realtors submit their listings in the entire region of Los Angeles. So what I do is go into the search tab of my MLS, go into details, go into active sales, single family residences, which is one house. And I look into the standard sales because a lot of you guys send me homes that are real estate owned, short sale, auction homes, and a lot of those are being sold by the bank, or there's a lot of cash offers. Depending on your situation, if you're gonna be like a FHA buyer, the chances of you getting a short sale home is very unlikely because especially right now in this market, there aren't that many homes, and if they do go and sell, they're sold by investors who are buying them cash, so they're sold quickly. $350,000 home, I'm gonna show you guys the results. I'll go into map, so that way I'm not seeing a whole list of homes. I'm getting a map of California showing me what's for sale under $350,000. Now I'm gonna zoom into the LA region, which if you can see, the LA region is Huntington Beach, Long Beach, Anaheim, Santa Ana, Malibu, the Valley, Pasadena, all of that they're different cities, but it's still the LA region. And if you can see by the map, we have 2 for sale in the Malibu area, 2 for sale in the Valley, 5 for sale over here, 5 in the Orange County, and 55 homes for sale under $350,000 in LA. So once I zoom into LA, you can see all the areas where the 50-something homes are for sale. Now, if you're familiar with LA, you know that living in downtown LA where the skyscrapers are, you're looking at maybe $4,000 a month. Maybe. That got deep. For like a really artsy studio, you can look up to maybe $20,000 a month to live in downtown LA. And if you're paying $4,000 a month, I assure you, you're living in about 850 square feet, if that, maybe 400 square feet. We're talking about the New York life to live in downtown LA. So Hollywood area, the Hollywood Beverly Hills area, there's nothing for $350,000. Now, if you're looking at more residential areas, which is like Whittier, Pico Rivera, Downey, where my office is located, it's more residential, more where you can raise your kids, a little bit more spread out, more yard. Still in those areas, you're looking at nothing for sale under $350,000. Even Monterey Park, Alhambra, there's nothing. And there's 2 listings here in Norwalk. One's for $350,000, $335,000. One says 3 bedrooms and 1 bath, but take a look at the living area. 824 square feet for $350,000. And not just that, going back to the map, if you notice where all this cluster of homes that are under $350,000 are closer to Compton, closer to South Central LA over here, you're probably wondering like if that's LA City, why are there so many homes under $350,000? Well, there's a higher crime rate, there's more, you know, projects, and there's more Section 8 homes, there's more higher crime rate overall. And there's nothing wrong with that. I mean, I myself grew up in the projects. There's nothing wrong with that. So you do want to research the areas. Ultimately, that's LA. That's the real LA. Hollywood is Hollywood, and LA is LA. Aside from that, from the area, the reason why there's so many is because the quality, and I'm gonna go into the result. Here's a list view. And if you look at the square feet, majority of the homes are either 500 square feet, 600 square feet, 700 square feet, 800 square feet, and the largest home in Compton for $350 with 4 bedrooms looks like this, ladies and gentlemen. And if you have the money to invest into fixing it, do it. But if you're FHA loan, and the bank won't let you buy something like this. And I'll explain that in the next couple videos. The average home actually in LA is about $680,000. This is what happens when I change the price point from $350 to $650. You have way more homes, way more options. See, let's go back to $350 just because it's a comfortable number for a majority of people. If we go out a little bit to the Inland Empire. Now, the Inland Empire is about 2 hours away in traffic, maybe 45 minutes if you have zero traffic. Lots of variables that can change how long it can get from downtown LA to the Inland Empire. But you can see that there's way more listings. Like Fontana has 150 listings, San Bernardino has 324 listings, Redlands has 73 listings, Riverside has 100 listings that are under $350,000. That's a lot of options. You're gonna have way more square footage, better condition, just with a little bit of distance from LA. But at least you know, if you're looking for something less than $350,000 right now going into 2019, if you're thinking more, oh, I can easily qualify for $650 and I'm comfortable with the monthly payment, you're golden. But let's just say it's you by yourself, you're still going to school, you're juggling a bunch of things. Under $350 is important to you. Let's move into condos and townhomes. Let's go back into the map. Townhomes and condos under $350. Now, as you can see, there's way more activity going on. You have 46 listings in Long Beach, you have 24 in the Valley. You are looking to pay $350,000, but it is going to be a townhouse, it is going to be a condo, and again, depending on the area, you're going to have a smaller size or a better or worse condition. Now you have an idea what the market's like in LA as far as condos, as far as homes, as far as different regions. That's gonna give you the ammo to have a conversation with your family or whoever you're considering buying with, or just take the time to digest it all. Like, whoa. I don't want you to think that a purchase is like you're like a bondage in jail where you're stuck with it for life. You can always sell it, you can always rent it out. It will require work, and that's why I'm here to help. So if you're thinking of buying or selling, make sure you leave me a comment or go to my website, estradadesiree.com. And in the next video, I am going to be talking about affordability, budget, all of the numbers. That's pretty much a tedious part of buying a home, but I really needed you to understand the Los Angeles market going into 2019. Always available, always free to help. Turn on the notifications so you do know when I upload the next video relating to buying a home in Los Angeles. And until next time, bye-bye.